Oh, my friend, it's gonna be very, very expensive. Because I can see what is stuck in here is a car operator and this is very expensive, eh?
So how much, man?
Very, very expensive. Oh, mama. Mama, this is gonna be a very big problem. This is gonna be a problem, mama. Because this thing, it needs the rubber. So it's
Okay.
gonna be very expensive, mama. It's gonna
So
be
how
very
much
expensive.
is it? How much?
Wow, massa kind ek sien wat fout is die car operator. Ja, man, maar luister hier, man. Jou kar is te hoog, drop die kar 'n bietjie, man. Sit in na BBS Max and sound.
And then the carburetor?
Ja, los die car operator. Sit sound and max and drop die
Hey.
car nou. Ooh, mama, it's a very big problem. This one is the water is coming up now. You must lose these plastic taps, mama. You must buy a gold tap. You see the gold tap, you're gonna drink gold water. I'll put lights for you so you can see the water. I'll drop it. Give it gas suspension. It's gonna be. Yara. Smali no man. Balbelung sap.
Ace.
Go ace when say ka ko ace up. Ayiko chakuti benesela macingo carburetor ifaka ke pedal faka alternator ikaka yonga le. Utheni ungayizisaka kum from the first. But ndizayilungisa kodwa hey wenze ikaka mano ace man. Hey, hayi olate. Kubala belungisa apha.
Umzwandile.
Mzwanile wenze ikaka olate. Wenze ikaka uyimoshile lento. Imoshile olate but akhona ndizayilungisa kodwa hayi wenze ikaka olate. Yo.